Poison isn't just in spy movies. It's in your water, food, clothes, and your body. It's sending SOS signals, if you know how to read them. Let's start with that itch you can't seem to scratch. You know the one. No rash, no bug bites, just a constant, maddening itch. That could be your body's first alarm. It might be screaming about heavy metals, think lead or arsenic, that can sneak into our water or even our rice. Remember Japan's Minamata disaster, where mercury poisoned thousands slowly? Today, that kind of low-dose exposure is everywhere. Your skin is just the first to know. Okay, signal number 2. You ever feel like your brain is wading through mud? You've slept, you've had coffee, but you just can't think straight. That might not be stress or just getting older. It could be pesticides, specifically organophosphates. These were literally developed as nerve agents in World War II. Now, they're on about 70% of non-organic produce. A Harvard study even linked long-term exposure to memory loss and depression. You could be eating it every day. And the third signal is a weird one. You get a headache almost every time you put on clean clothes. Sounds crazy, right? But that fresh laundry smell? It's often a cocktail of toxic chemicals called VOCs, from fabric softeners and dryer sheets. One of them, acetaldehyde, is on the EPA's list of most dangerous substances, linked to liver damage and breathing issues. Your laundry could literally be making you sick. Look, this isn't about being paranoid. It's about recognizing chronic low-dose poisoning that most doctors might miss. But you can fight back. Test your water. Go organic for the most important foods. Ditch the synthetic fragrances. Your body isn't broken, it's just under attack. And now, you know how to read the signals.